using the 18650 adapter in the CX2. So you've decided to switch your 21700 battery for an 18650. The winter is cold in Macedonia. Maybe you were peer pressured, or maybe it was so you could use a common battery for all your lights. Either way, DiveRight has your back. First, remove the tail cap on the CX2 by unscrewing it. Next, remove the USB-C charging plate by unscrewing it. Remove the 21700 battery. Place the 18650 battery in the adapter, taking care to keep the positive side pointed inward. Slide the adapter assembly into the CX2. Replace the USB-C charging plate by screwing it back in. Finally, replace the tail cap by screwing it back on. Runtimes will be reduced when using an 18650 battery. Plan your dives accordingly.